Welcome back, everyone. So, micrometers came in. Here they are. Found them on eBay for $100. Cheapest ones I could possibly find. They had a bunch of good reviews on them for the money, that is. So I thought I'd buy them, and I was gonna have a company send me some of these, but they backed out. So I just ended up buying them. Come in a nice wood box. Here they are. Box ain't built the best. So there they are. I'm gonna mess with them right now. But there they are. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.